Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito, ipapaliwanag ko po sa inyo about sum of angles of a polygon, the sum of interior angles of a polygon, and the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. So magpipresent po ako ng different kind of polygons for you to understand ano nga ba or paano nga ba i-calculate yung sum ng interior angles at sum ng exterior angles of different polygons. Okay, so let's start. The sum of interior angles of any polygon is determined by using this formula. Sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180, where n is the number of sides of a polygon. And for exterior angles of a polygon, the sum is always 360 degrees. So, kahit na anong klaseng polygon man yan, from triangle up to quadrilateral up to decagon, the sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees. Okay, so we have the table for the different polygons, first column from triangle up to dodecagon. Okay, and the second column is number of sides. The sides of triangle is 3. Sides of quadrilateral ay 4. Hanggang dodecagon, the side is 12. And for the third column, the sum of interior angles. So using this formula, n minus 2 times 180, ay madidetermine po natin itong sum of interior angles of a polygon. Using n sa formula, n is the number of sides. Okay, so let's try to apply the formula sa ating polygon kung tama po itong sum of interior angles and sum of exterior angles. So unahin po natin yung triangle. So a triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. Okay? So yung one side of this uh, triangle is extended outward. So we have the exterior angle and we have the interior angle. So for example, this interior angle measures 30 degrees. So the exterior angle here measures what? That is 150 degrees. So recall that the sum of the exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle is always 180 degrees. So 150 plus 30 is 180 degrees. For example, I will going to extend this side of the triangle here. So makaka-form po tayo ng interior and exterior angle here. For example, the exterior angle is 100 degrees. What is the measurement of the interior angle? The measurement is 80 degrees. So that 100 times 80 is 100 plus 80 is equal to 180 degrees. And how about this one? I'm going to extend the third side of the triangle. The exterior angle, for example, is 110 or 110 degrees. Then the measurement of the interior angle here is equal to 70 degrees. So that 110 plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's try to add the interior and exterior angles of this triangle at tingnan natin kung tama po yung andito sa ating formula. Okay, so unahin natin po yung interior angles. So the interior angles are 80, 70, and 30. Okay, this one, interior angles. So 80 degrees, 70 degrees, and 30 degrees. So if you're going to add here, this will become 180 degrees. Okay, how about the exterior angles? So the exterior angles are, okay, this one, 100, 110, and 150. Ito pong nasa labas. So this one, 100 degrees. This one, 110. And this one, 150 degrees. So if you're going to add, the sum is 360 degrees. So unahin natin itong exterior angle. The sum is 360. So according to the formula, the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always 360. And that is correct. 360 po yung exterior angle ng triangle. How about yung ating interior angle? Okay? The sum is equal to 180 degrees. So let's try to use the formula kung tama po na 180 ang sum ng triangle. The formula is sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180. Ito po yun. Lagay ko lang po dito. So we are going to substitute n, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. So triangle po yung sinosolve natin. So ang triangle has 3 sides. So substitute natin yung 3 sides ng triangle dito sa n. So this become 3 minus 2 times 180. And then subtract natin itong 3 minus 2. And what is 3 minus 2? That is equal to 1. So 1 times 180 is equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees ang sum ng interior angles ng polygon using the formula. And that is correct sa atin pong illustration ng triangle kanina. Okay? How about this quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. So ito po yung ating quadrilateral, 4 sides. And the 4 sides are extended outward the polygon. Okay? So we have the measurement here. So ito po ay interior angle 100 degrees. Ito po ay interior angles. Okay? So ano po ang ibig sabihin ng box dito? So ang ibig sabihin po ng box dito ay right angle or the measure is 90 degrees. And also this one, box, this is right angle or 90 degrees. Okay? Unknown po yung angle po dito. And the measurement of this exterior angle is 100 degrees. Okay, so let's try to identify first the measurement of the unknown angles. And then, tingnan natin kung tama po yung sum of interior angles and sum of exterior angles. So, unahin po natin ito. So, 100 degrees po ang ating exterior angle. What is the measurement of the interior angles here? Okay? So, the measurement of this interior angle should be 80 degrees. So that if we add the exterior angle and the interior, 100 plus 80 is equal to 180, and that's correct. How about here? The interior angle is 100. What is the measurement of exterior angle? So the measurement is 80 degrees. So that 80 plus 100 is 180. How about here? Again, this is box, 90 degrees. Interior siya. So ano po ang measurement ng exterior angle dito? So if that is 90, the exterior angle should be 90 degrees also. So that 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, last. Okay, what is the measurement of this exterior angle here? This is 90, therefore this is 90 also. Okay, so meron na po tayong 4 measurements of the interior angles and 4 measurements of the exterior angles of this quadrilateral. Okay, so i-list natin lahat yung interior angles. So the interior angles are, okay, yung nasa loob, ito po, 100, 90, 90, 80. Ito po yun, 100, 90, 90, 80. And let's try to add. So the sum is 360 degrees. How about yung ating pong exterior angles? So the exterior angles are 100, 80, 90, 90. Okay, ito po yun. 100, 80, 90, and 90 degrees. So if we're going to add the 4 angles, that is equal to 360 degrees. So go back here sa sum ng exterior angles, sabi niya, always 360 degrees. So 360 degrees po ang sum ng exterior angle ng quadrilateral, and that is correct. How about the interior angles of a quadrilateral? So ang nakuha po natin dito using figure ay 360 degrees. Let's try using this formula. Okay, so the sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So let's substitute the number of sides n of the quadrilateral. Ang n natin ay quadrilateral is 4. So n is 4, so 4 minus 2 times 180. And subtract natin, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 by using the formula. At sa illustration natin kanina, ang nakuha po natin ay 360 din. Therefore, tama po yung ating calculation. Okay, so how about this polygon? This polygon is a pentagon. Okay? A pentagon has 5 sides. So 5 sides po dito. And then the 5 sides extended outward. Okay? So ito po yung mga broken line na nasa labas. Okay, so given na po yung 5 interior angles, let's try to write the 5 exterior angles of this pentagon. So unahin po natin dito sa 115 na interior angle. So what is the exterior angle here? So 115 to make it 180 kasi ang sum dapat 180, that is equal to 65. How about this one? 90 degrees. So what is the sum? What is the angle here to make it 180? So that should be 90. So that 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. How about sa 115 degrees? Okay, ang measurement po dito ay equal to 65 degrees. So the same po, 115 pareho, so 65, so 65 din ito. Okay, how about this 110 degrees interior? The exterior here is 70. So that 110 plus 70 is 180 degrees. So the same here, 110 din, ibig sabihin ito rin pong exterior angle is 70 degrees. So we have now the 5 exterior angles of this pentagon. Okay, so let's try to add all the interior angles. So tingnan natin. By using the illustration, we're going to add the 5 interior angles. So 115, 110, 110, 115, and 90. Ito po yun. 115, 110, 110, 115, and 90. Ito po yung 5 angles. So if you're going to add, the sum is 540 degrees. So the sum of interior angles is 540. How about the exterior angle? So the exterior angle, ito po yung 5 exterior angles ng ating pentagon. So 90, 65, ito po yun. 90, 65, 70, 70, 65. So ito po yun yung 5 exterior angles. So if you are going to add those angles, the sum is equal to 360 degrees. So again, go back to the definition of exterior angle. Always the sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 and this is correct. How about i-prove natin itong 540 degrees na sum ng interior angle, okay? Or interior angles using the formula. So dito po natin 'yan. So yung formula po natin ay sum is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So sa pentagon, how many sides? Again, the sides equal to 5. So substitute po natin sa n. So 5 number of sides minus 2 times 180. So 5 minus 2, subtract natin. That is equal to 3. So what is 3 times 180? 3 times 180 is equal to 540 degrees. So tama po ba na 540 din dito? Okay, this is correct. So 540 degrees using illustration and using formula. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you are not subscribed yet.